Hi, this is Jim's Vintage Collectibles with a Smith Corona Skyriter lightweight portable typewriter. You can see it's designed to be an ultra small, ultra lightweight design. It's pretty slim profile there, and instead of having a full case, it has this lid which clips onto the back and then locks down. And then you see the bottom of the typewriter forms the bottom of the case. So it's a super slim design. It is missing two of the rubber feet here. You can see there's two there. Those two are missing. Now we'll open it back up and just run through the controls. So first thing, it's got these two arms to hold the paper. Those fold right up. Then your keyboard's pretty standard. It's got your backspace, margin release to allow you to type outside of the set margins. This is your shift, that's on both sides, and this is your shift lock, which will keep the shift on until you take it off. Up here we have the carriage release is back here to allow you to move the carriage. This is your paper release. You push it back and it disengages the feed rollers so you can remove your paper. These are your margins. Push down on that and slide that to set your left and your right margin. Over here, this is obviously your return lever. You can adjust the spacing using, let me spin it out. You can adjust the spacing using this. If it's pushed forward, you'll see it's double space. If you flip it back, then it'll only go single space. And if you need customizable spacing, you can flip this up, and instead of holding it to a set number of lines, it'll allow you to space it exactly the spacing you need if you're filling out a form or something. Then you just flip that back down, and the line retainer will set it back to just your one line at a time. Other controls, it has the this lever down here is for the direction of the ribbon. You see when this is open, I believe if it's down, it's going from the right spool to the left spool, and up reverses that. And here's your touch control. You can move this up or down. Moving it up lowers the tension on the keys, makes them a little lighter, and if you move it down, it'll give a little heavier touch. Other than that, the one other thing is this here is to help you center the carriage for putting the lid back on. So what you basically have to do is just you just hold that down and then hold down your carriage release, slide it all the way over until it'll stop. Then you just release them both and you're perfectly centered to put the lid on. So that's that. The typewriter is for sale on eBay. You can find the link in the video description. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with all of our latest items. Thanks.